Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Saima Ahmed, working as a specialist OB-GYN in NMC Royal Medical Center, Samnan, Sharjah. Sadly, early pregnancy miscarriages are very common, and 1 in 5 women have a miscarriage for no apparent reasons. Pregnancy loss in the first 3 months of pregnancy is called early pregnancy miscarriage. Most women experience vaginal bleeding, but occasionally there may be no symptom in early pregnancy miscarriage. If this is the case, the miscarriage may be diagnosed by an ultrasound or serial beta-HCG levels. In most cases, it is not possible to give a reason for early miscarriage. The most common cause is thought to be problem with baby genetics or chromosome. The risk of miscarriage is increased by maternal age. At the age of 30, the risk of miscarriage is 1 in 5, that is 20%. Over the age of 40, the risk miscarriage is 1 in 2, that is 50%. Medical problems such as poorly controlled diabetes or lifestyle factors such as being overweight can increase the risk of early miscarriage. There is no evidence that stress can cause a miscarriage. Sex during pregnancy is not associated with early miscarriage. This is a common myth which patients usually ask. Vaginal bleeding or pain in the early stages of pregnancy are common and don't always mean that there is problem, but it can be a warning sign of miscarriage, and you should immediately seek medical advice and help. An early pregnancy miscarriage is usually diagnosed by ultrasound, either transvaginal or transabdominal scan. Usually transvaginal scan may be recommended as it gives a clearer images. Neither scan increase your risk of having a miscarriage. Once early miscarriage is diagnosed, your healthcare professional will discuss about your options, which include expectant management, which is to take nature its course. That is successful in about 50% of the women who choose this option. Second option is medical management of miscarriage by taking medication, and this is successful in 85 out of 100 women, and this avoids anesthesia. Third option is surgical management of miscarriage under general anesthesia, and it is successful in 95% cases. After miscarriage, you can try for baby as soon as you are physically and emotionally ready. You are not at higher risk of another miscarriage if you have 1 or 2 early pregnancy miscarriages. Most miscarriages occur as a one-off event, and there is a good chance of having a successful pregnancy in the future. A very few numbers of women have a condition that make them more likely to miscarry again. If this is the case, medication may help. When you are planning for pregnancy, start taking folic acid 400 microgram every day till 12 weeks of pregnancy to reduce the risk of your baby born with neural tube defect. Be as healthy as you can and eat a balanced diet. Thank you.